I just put that on so I knew it wasn't hot. But that could be very hot.
Yeah.
You do have gloves, right?
I do. I have gloves, and I got a little camp-made tool, utensil that uses a lid called a lid lifter. They call it a kickstand. You know, place to give it a place to sit down. Bill Goudy checking in. Having a marvelous time at YouTubery. We had a friendly competition. Oh, we did. And we had so much fun. Helga did her outstanding cooking. Calvin's wife, we call her Miss Betty, made a soup that was just out of this world. You'll see. I'm going to show you. Just check this out, will you? Look at that. Oh, ho, ho.
Oh, that looks good.
Baked beans. Helga's special beans. Get there.
Oh, look at that.
Here, give
Oh,
Santa Wallace. Time out. Yeah, Wallace. Give Wallace.
It won't last that long. Thank you.
What do you think?
Tender enough?
You got any seasoning on there? I put a little seasoning on there. It's that camp-made seasoning. So.
Oh yeah.
But it's tender, so I don't have to do anything more than turn it. To, it looked like it'd fall apart, right, Helga?
Nice, Bill.
Okay, that's what I want.
It's almost.
That's wild.
Almost just get a fork.
Hey, that's wild. You know.
It is.
Yeah, that's wild hog. I mean, you know what? It's the way you cook it that makes it tender. You know, and it was a big boar, 200-pounder, and we flushed it out, and it made all the difference in the world in the flavor. Other than being tougher when you're just cooking a pork steak or something off of it,
yeah,
or the ribs or whatever, I can't tell you.
I ain't got no spoon or nothing.
I have another one that I'm cooking with.
Oh, time to get priority straight.
Get her done.
Get her done.
How's that? Sweet?
That's good. Sounds good.
Hey, that's approved, Helga. That's Wallace approved. Many YouTubers showed up. Some from last year, some new ones that I had not seen, like Bluefin. I'd never met him. I'd watched his videos. Lynn Denton, she was there, and I am a new sub to her. All the link to everybody I mentioned is down below. Check them out. Sub them and tell them I sent you. Well, there goes the neighborhood. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
I like that. I like that setup.
We didn't get to see it last year because it was hid behind the barn over there and all the rain and everything.
Yeah.
Ooh, it was awful.
I know.
Those muck butts.
I think it's just as muddy this year, but at least we have sunshine, we got more humid.
Now.
Yeah.
Got some sun.
Yeah, that's nice.
Put a little bit of rain coming in.
That's a nice setup, really.
It's pretty easy to set up, but it's a lot better if you got two people.
Yeah, I bet.
It's not one you want to set up by yourself.
Yeah.
You can, but it's a little rough. But that's it. You put it on here. Once it's built, it's built. You're not going to town afterwards. That's the only drawback. The only drawback about this tent is that unless you got another vehicle waiting on you, once you set it up, it's done. Set up.
Yeah, you're not going nowhere fast
so
anyway.
Make sure you check off the list before you get to the
You got everything you need for the tour. I suppose you can carry a bicycle with you. That's what I do.
Yeah, a bicycle, yeah. That would work fine.
I went down to Hot Springs, Arkansas, and I had a state campground down there. No, it was a federal campground down there. $30 a night. I was there at noon. It was almost full.
Wow.
And I didn't want to leave. Just nothing there. Mm-hmm. It was just my receipt because I knew I was going to come back. It's going to be gone. So I rode my bicycle 2 miles into town and saw all the things. Took a tub and everything worked out good. I left my camper there locked up and rode my bike.
Yeah.
Worked out good.
That's cool.
Yeah. Look who's arrived on the scene. Saline Scott. Huh? So this is a bluefin setup. Look at the flags. You got your walking sticks holding that tarp out?
Yeah. And if it starts to rain, you can just drop them down and tighten up your guy lines. And underneath here, I got a Phoenix hammock here.
Oh,
Phoenix,
yeah.
it's
Oh,
an
yeah.
underquilt, and it just keeps your back warm. And
Oh yeah, that looks
just
good.
get in, and this can open up all the way and store it, so
Uh-huh.
in the daytime you can take it out. And you just got a small quilt, so
That's awesome.
it's you're snug as a bug in a rug.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
And you can actually lay flat. A lot of people don't think you're flat in a hammock, but
But you are.
you twist your feet to one side,
Uh-huh.
and if you don't get in quick, it doesn't swing.
Oh yeah.
Right? But it's
Well, but maybe you'll want it to swing a little bit.
yeah.
At sometimes, not always, but it'll stop, won't it? I mean,
Oh, yes.
yeah.
Like most people think you wouldn't want to sleep in a hammock because you're always swinging in the wind, but you're not. I just jumped in really quick,
Yeah.
but it's very comfortable. And with the bug net on, no insects get at you.
And it doesn't have a rain fly on the
No, you can.
Yeah, you can
drop
just
this
take
down.
that off and not have a rain fly at all.
Right.
And you don't even need to have that bug
You
net
don't
on
need the
there
bug
if
net,
you
like
don't
if it
or if you
was-
don't want it,
If it was earlier in the spring, there's no bugs, or
Right.
later, you can just unzip that.
depending on
and-
where you're at and
Yeah.
what you're doing.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Well, thank you for the tour. That's awesome. This videotapes let's see, Carolina Chris's setup. Well, how he's not up here with me right now, but Bluefin is, and we're admiring his artwork. He's just using a regular tarp, camouflage tarp, and I think those are angles. Well, they're square tubing that he made into tripods that's holding that bar up that actually hold that hammock up. It looks pretty sturdy, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then he's got twine. That's
paracord.
paracord into to keep those stationary, keep them where they're supposed to be, staked into the ground. That's a neat setup. It really is. Yeah, I don't know what that tubing is. It's a conduit, I think. That's good.
Yeah.
But we're admiring his setup, how it sets up there. He's got the skeeter net and what they call that, the underbag or underquilt, and then looks like he's got a mosquito net up here as well.
It's tarp skins. You can just unhook your tarp and it slides
Oh,
over
is that
and
right?
it rolls it all up.
Oh, that's what that is.
Yeah.
Makes it easy. See, all this technology, yeah, that's beyond me. I just roll in and plug in. Check these camping setups out, will ya? This is awesome. I don't know if I can sleep in a hammock now. I used to. I have in the past, but you know, I'm spoiled. Just look. Will you look? Look at the goodness. A whole bucket full of goodness.
Well, I got over a pound going in the beans. So if you want to stack a piece of bacon.
I
sure
know all
you're being
these
partial,
people, and I just-
Look at this. Look at the goodness, will you?
It would hurt
yeah.
I have to choose between them, I guess.
I'm not sure.
It's so bad.
You got a fork we could poke at?
Holy moly, look. I don't care. Are we going to do the judging down here? If we are, I told my judging already.
Y'all are so bad.
Everybody's got the
I know.
judging.
She tastes
Pretty
through here and then
good.
you want to go up and get, she doesn't have to drag it down. They don't like, well, I can go up there and taste. I taste this and I taste those. And then I'm going to run.
Well, if you do that, now I'll get my camera. If I want to just feel you tasting it.
No kidding.
You joking, right?
She's already died. She can eat that.
Oh man. Look at, look at that piece. Man, that's the piece I want right there.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be the good crispy stuff. Don't get it before it falls. It's gonna fall.
I know, I thought that's a
Hey, hang on.
Look at that.
Kind of like the one mine's different.
Look at the goodness.
But Bill's getting his pork on.
Get my pork on. This is my first taste. Wallace got to taste a little of this earlier. Mmm. It's good.
And then we got the peanut gallery.
That's Bill Goudy approved. Helga videotaping me. Look at her looking at me.
That's right. I'm watching the concert this turn.
All right, we're doing she's doing a taste test of Helga's Pennsylvania cooking. What is this, Helga?
This is my Jack Daniel's baked beans.
Oh, look at that.
Onion
Look at the goodness,
and
will ya?
good home bacon from Mossers.
That's Walker plant bacon.
It is. It's the real deal, baby. Lots of Jack.
She's cheating. She's got bacon, man, and we lost.
He's got pork, so I don't know, man. This is gonna be tough.
It's a tough competition.
So,
that's all I can tell you.
Oh man.
Use Dark Matter special spoons.
Oh man, she pulled out all the
Grant
hoodoo.
Hubbard's mother is going to be judging the competition.
Dark matter?
Yeah, they do.
It's Helga's.
Okay.
Roll that beautiful bean footage.
Come on, Bedard, give me one.
Alright. We got a spoon?
Yep, go ahead and use this.
Okay.
Just dip her in, make sure you get some bacon. Not that I'm trying to influence you or anything.
I'm sure the flavor's there.
You know I'm gonna have some bacon.
Is that a $20 bill hanging out of her pocket? What's
Yeah, what is that? What is that?
Calvin, you better
Alright.
top up 100.
I need to get back on me. None.
It's not easy being me.
It's not. This is not going to be an easy job.
It's a tough job, and somebody's got to do it.
Mm-hmm. She didn't shrug her shoulder and she eat mine.
Oh man. Very good. Nice thickness. Sweetness. Oh. I can get some of a little bit of that Jack.
Hey, got the old man with me.
There's where it went.
Yeah.
Got the old man with me, so.
Really good.
Excellent.
Really good.
Cool.
Everybody's a winner. Everybody wins today. If I truly had to choose one, I would choose the vegetable soup.
Would you? That looked good.
It's
I haven't
really
tried
good.
that
Have
yet.
you finished the
It's
pulled
really
pork
good.
yet?
Yeah. Yeah, it's ready.
Has she tried it?
Say that again.
She likes the vegetable soup. Oh, you want to get that on camera?
Yeah, say that again. What'd you say there?
If I had to choose one, everybody's is delicious. Everybody's a winner today. Everything's great, but I would. The vegetable soup just, it's just great.
Out of this world, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really good. It's awesome. So,
Yeah, and guess who won that? Miss Betty.
Miss Betty won.
Miss Betty won.
Cast iron woman.
And well, she's not even a YouTube cook.
I know. Well, maybe I'll start giving Calvin some competition, dang it.
Hey, what do you think Oh, I put Calvin's, Miss Betty's, and yours, and Helga's all together,
Oh, man.
and then I coated it down with a good coat of Texas Pete.
No
lunch.
lunch is complete without
Oh,
some Texas Pete.
That's for sure.
Oh yeah.
Look at the goodness there, will you?
Oh, look at that.
Look at the drippiness. Ooh, the Texas Pete dripping off. Look.
What's it taste like out of the
Like heaven? Yeah.
Heaven on earth.
Looks like everybody's a winner.
I agree.
Everybody's a winner out
You can't buy this stuff. You can't. There's nowhere you can go to buy this. You got to be here to try it.
Yep.
That's what it's all about.
It's all good.
Yeah.
I can't believe that. Wow. That's unreal.
It's more tough. It's not quite as tender, but flavor-wise, you can't tell the difference.
No wow.
No.
The flavor's really nice.
It's just it's not as tender. That's the only thing that's the only thing I notice about it. Yeah. No, just a little more chewy is all about.
I want it to be. I want it to have the flavor, and I want it to have not be dry.
Yeah. Well, the secret, the elixir of The elixir of life, that secret ingredient,
Oh, I know.
is what the secret
Amber
is.
fluid.
Amber fluid.
You use amber fluid, I use Jack.
We're on the same.
We both use pork.
That's
I mean, come on, Bill.
right.
We were
Yeah.
both channeling the same cooking gods here.
Yes.
I don't
Yes.
think that needs any sauce of any kind or anything.
Well, we got it if you want it. But
God,
Isn't that good?
yeah.
I mean, it's great.
That's what I'm doing, man. It's good.
It is just really amazing.
I might try a little dip of Helga's bean curd.
Oh, I think it's man.
look at that. Look at that.
So,
What the heck?
Oh my God.
I'm just holding.
Come on, you slow piece of crap.
What's the deal?
so the whole time I'm in the car when you're talking about these things,
They were in the car.
you had this thing.
I thought he was going to get some out of flour.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Grown.
Auto landing and auto takeoff.
Wow. Thank you, Rebel. Thank you, Rebel.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Oh my God. Is anybody getting
All
this
right,
one?
have you flown one of these your own self?
Thank you,
No,
Rebel.
I will a little bit.
It was too quick. He came out of
I
nowhere.
know.
I had it all set up.
That was like a drive-by, man.
Yeah.
Roll 'em out.
Good man.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rebel.
Yep,
Does
thank
anybody here have a drone?
I always wanted one of those.
No.
you. I did not.
There's no reason.
So none of
I
us
don't
know how to
need
fly
that.
these, right?
We need to switch.
I thought. You'll know which way is forward. If you don't have the camera hooked up.
I want to thank you for watching. I'm telling you, you can't buy this food. No, you can't. We got wild hog. We had special beans. Helga's. Oh my goodness, Jack Daniel beans. Yes, you can make it, but you can't go to the restaurant and buy it. If you want wild hog, you gotta shoot one. If you want Miss Betty's award-winning vegetable soup, I'm telling you, you gotta make it. Just follow the recipe. Oh, it is so good. I want to thank you for watching. We're having so much fun. It's just an outstanding time. It really is.